Nananatiling prioridad ng Administrasyong Aquino ang paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa. Sa kanyang pagdalo sa Asian Development Bank reception kanina, sinabi ng Pangulo na nagbubunga na ang mga reformang ipinatutupad ng kanyang administrasyon, kabilang na ang kampanya laban sa korupsyon. Kasabay nito, pinasalamatan ng Pangulo ang tulong ng ADB sa mga biktima ng kalamidad sa bansa. Nag-uulat si Rocky Ignacio mula sa Malacanang, live.
Maraming salamat, Kati. Tiniyak nga ni Pangulo Aquino ang mas magandang Pilipinas ngayon. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa kanyang pagdalo sa Asian Development Bank reception. Tiniyak ni Pangulo Aquino patuloy na pagbuti ng kalagayan ng Pilipinas. Sa ginanap na Asian Development Bank reception, sinabi ng Pangulo na dahil sa mabuting pamamahala, tuluyan ang nakabawi ang dangal ng mga Pilipino mula sa bangungot ng nakalipas.
Not long ago, our country was considered the sick man of Asia. And in light of these achievements, perhaps you will understand the optimism that has taken hold of our people. One can look around the country and sense a palpable change of attitude. The Filipino people have regained their pride. They have seen just how far we have come along, and they are willing to do their part to seize opportunities that abound in society and to contribute to national growth. This bodes well for our country. We have done away with the vicious cycle of dishonesty, corruption, and self-interest that has long kept our country and our economy crippled. And we have replaced it with a virtuous cycle of empowerment, where transparency and integrity foster confidence and true participation.
Pinasalamatan rin ng Pangulo ang ADB sa patuloy ang tulong sa pagharap sa mga hamon katulad ng pinsala ni Yolanda at sa iba pang nakalipas na kalamidad.
I am told that the assistance you are giving us in the form of loans and grants is expected to exceed $1 billion. On top of that, you set up an office in Tacloban City to coordinate the use of funds and to give guidance to our various local governments. Indeed, with this kind of help from your organization and from the rest of our friends in the international community, affected communities will be back on their own feet in the soonest possible time. The Filipino people will not forget the kindness you have shown us, whether in the aftermath of Yolanda or in the wake of previous disasters. The ADB provided our country grants after the massive mudslide in southern Leyte in 2006, helped in our people's crisis recovery efforts in the aftermath of Typhoon Ondoy in 2009. All these, I believe, are acts of a true partner, one that exhibits concern for the welfare of the Filipino people. This gives us great confidence that we can count on your support as we continue to build back better.
Mahalaga rin ang tulong ng ADB para bawasan ang antas ng kahirapan sa ilalim ng conditional cash transfer na bigyan daan rin ng Philippine Energy Efficient Project kung saan umabot sa 8.6 million compact fluorescent lamps ang naipamahagi sa may 3.5 million na Filipino households.
With your help, our flagship conditional cash transfer program has registered 4.3 million households, of which more than 600,000 were financed through your loans. These families are now receiving cash grants on the condition that children are sent to school, pregnant mothers receive regular checkups, and infants and children are given the necessary vaccinations. This redounds not merely to increase resources for those in the margins. In the long term, it will give rise to a population that is healthier and more educated, and thus more empowered to build better lives for themselves and their families.
Dahil anya sa mataas sa kumpiyansa, tumibay ang paglalatag ng mas maraming oportunidad sa bansa, kasabay na rin ang mataas sa pagkilala ng international community sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Nauna nang tumanggap ang Pilipinas na investment grade status dahil na rin sa mahusay na fiscal position ng bansa.
Today, we have the social and economic momentum towards becoming one of the world's most dynamic economies in the years to come. But you know as well as I do, there is much more work to be done. The responsibility of harnessing the country's current momentum and turning it to the advantage of all remains. The task of eradicating the scourge of poverty and of pursuing growth that is felt by every last person remains. However, there is no doubt in my mind that we can accomplish anything and everything we set out to do if we strengthen our partnership with one another and continue working shoulder to shoulder towards one goal. Not wealth nor power, not prestige, but the empowerment of millions of men and women who are our partners in this quest for development.
Ang ADB ay isang regional development bank na tumutulong sa economic development ng mga bansa sa Asia. At ang pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM, ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.